good morning. My name is Chine, and I'm super excited to be here with you at the Data Fest Africa 2023. By the way, you look good. So, if you don't mind, I'd love to know your name, your company, your role, and what it's like working as a data professional in your space.
Okay, so my name is Mayo Oshin, but online Mayo Oshin. I was an early contributor to LangChain AI. So LangChain is the largest AI framework for building AI applications. And so since then, I've done a lot of AI education. So I've reached close to 5 million people so far this year. I've consulted with companies like PwC, BCG, Amazon. So I've had a broad scope in terms of the AI space and the challenges that different companies have. So at this point now, my company CNI Analytics, we focus on training and consultation to help companies integrate AI with their data and build accurate chatbots. So chatbots that they can use natural language to basically interact with the data that they have.
Thank you very much for sharing. Would also love to know what advice you have basically for enthusiasts and also entry level in your space.
So entry level developers. Okay, so I think the main thing is to get involved in some sort of open source community. Start contributing to libraries that you use. If you use any libraries to build any solutions, help out in terms of dealing with issues in the GitHub, or you make your own PRs. Join the Discord. Be very helpful, basically. Almost like they are paying you, but they're not really paying you. That's the first start to it. The second thing I would say is build solutions for things that you have pain points around. So, for example, if you yourself are finding that you find it very tedious to, you know, go through financial statements or a company's annual reports because you want to invest, right? Instead of looking for that solution out there, why not try and figure out how to use AI to help you with that, right? So that'll be an example of, as you start building out the solution, you're going to learn so much. There's only so much theory can take you, right? You yourself need to actually build it out, and then you will see the challenges that companies are also having. So when it comes time to work with a company, you already know because you built out a solution yourself. So I'll say those are the two things, and the third thing would be try and build in public. Right? A lot of people do stuff, they keep it to themselves. Developers tend to be very introverted in that way, but that's not the way the world works now. Like, you have to be okay with having ideas and even sharing on Twitter or sharing on any platform the progress you are making as you are building a solution. So, and what you realize is a lot of people will be very interested in what you are doing, and people might even hire you, from that process. So I'll say those are the three things I'll say.
Thank you. To the organizers of this event, they would love to know what advice do you have for them to actually make this event bigger, better, moving on.
So far, it's been a great experience for me. I think maybe the panel sessions, people might feel people might want more depth from each speaker. You know, because it's obviously naturally you have follow-up questions because there's such a limited time for each speaker to really answer, and the answers might seem very surface level. So my presumption here is a lot of people here want to follow up with each speaker and have more in-depth sessions. So maybe having sessions where it's more giving the audience an opportunity to ask questions, of the panelists as well, I think would be a good addition to what's been done.
Oh, thank you. To the attendees and the general public, would love to know if your company is currently employing or will be employing soon.
Yeah, I am employing. Um, so, yeah, like I said, we specialize in helping companies to integrate AI with their data. So, anyone who is, you don't have to be a machine learning person. You could be a software engineer, or you just someone that's very determined to learn this stuff, right? So for me, it's more. I'm more interested in characteristics. Are you driven? Are you willing to learn? Are you willing to make mistakes? Do you communicate well? And most importantly, are you professional? If you meet those criteria, you can reach out to me. My name is Mayo. You'll see me all over the web, so it's not difficult to find me. Mayo Oshin online. So you see me on Twitter, LinkedIn, I'm everywhere. So just shoot me a message if you fall in that criteria. Send me your GitHub profile. Send me stuff you've done, and yeah, we'll take it from there.
Thank you so much for staying true and also for coming to Data Fest 2023.